Morning! We are taking out the rubbish again. Hi. Today is plastic.
There's a lot.
Oh, okay, so they don't have a white bag.
So I'm gonna leave the bottles here.
They don't even have yellow bags in any of them.
Wait, what does yellow bag stand for? What does it say? Burnable garbage.
Yeah.
What the? Oh, we're an idiot.
You noob! We're at the zoo now! Yay! So this is our free zoo, not free zoo, this is our free day and we're going to the zoo in Asahikawa, right? Is it Asahikawa?
Yeah.
Asahikawa Zoo.
So this is meant to be really good. It's #1 on TripAdvisor and Hoyan recommends it like very highly.
Yeah. We're gonna check if it's good because we're gonna go to the emus. Apparently there are emus in Asahikawa. What the? And so hi. So we're gonna go and check them out.
Yeah.
See if they're legit. Whoa! Look, Japan has wombats.
Water wombat.
Water wombats.
Yeah, water wombat. Water wombat.
What are they?
Norway, Holland, deer.
Australia. We'll save you, emu. We'll take you back. Yeah, we came to see Japanese animals, not Australian ones.
Yeah.
At least we noticed it was legit. Back in your cage. In your cage, mate. Get in your cage.
Freedom is good.
Ice cream. This is ice cream.
Whoa, wait, what is it? Oh. That's ice cream.
Try.
Whoa, it's cold.
Wow. Not bad.
Store nearby the church.
How much were these shoes?
Free.
It was free, because you know why? A peasant.
We had B8.
Bear.
はい、ブレーキこっちの後ろブレーキだけでいいんで。
Okay.
じゃあ安全運転お願いします。
So why'd you get shoes?
Because there's like no sole protection support on this thing.
Yeah, her shoes look crap. No offense. Like honestly, like look at it. She walks around like I don't know,
Shut up.
8 hours a day or something, and
See
then
your new
like,
shoes?
Look at my shoes, alright? At least it has like a sole. I mean, look at that. What is this? This is not a sole.
nothing.
Obviously nothing.
Hey guys, exactly here. Watching back on this really makes me crave rest. I could really do with that onsen right now. Oh, so busy. I don't really have much to say about this day because it's just chill. So I'm going to pass the mic to you guys. Do you guys have any questions about our mission in Japan? Please ask us in the comments below and we'll answer them in the next video. Alright, take it easy. Exactly here, and see ya!
So strong.